Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome to another one of my videos. In this one, I'm going to show you how to tie a flat decorative knot that has a gaucho-like pattern. Here is our knot up close. It has a distinct zigzag pattern traveling across the knot. As such, it kinda resembles the gaucho braid or the gaucho knot. The knot itself can work well either as a knife lanyard, perhaps as a key fob or something like that. To demonstrate this knot, I'm going to be using a couple of pins and a piece of cardboard to stick pins into. You don't need this setup. All you need is a piece of cord. First, make a loop. Like this. Pass over the standing end, then under and through the loop. Pass over, under, over. Like this. Continue by placing your working end next to the standing end. So over, under. Pass over the standing end, then over, under two, and over one. Pass over this cord here, then under and over two. Finally, pass over one, under two, and over two. And you have tied your knot. Tighten it up by removing slack out of the knot and into the ends. So you start at the bottom loop, you pull some slack into the knot and out of one of the ends. Then you repeat with the other part of the loop. And the end result is a nice looking flat knot with a zigzag pattern. Guys, thank you very much for joining me today. Consider supporting the site on Patreon, and I'll see you next time.